Here we are going to review the top 5 best espresso machine, so that you can choose the right one according to your purpose. Let's start off with our personal best choice manual espresso maker, the AeroPress coffee maker. This already massively popular coffee press allows you to make smooth, full-bodied, and bitter-less coffee by merely pressing down and activating the total immersion brewing process. The rapid filtering time and immersive mechanism guarantee the lowest level of acidity. Ideal for home brewing or on the go, this travel-size manual espresso machine masterfully extracts the best flavor out of your coffee beans, allowing you to make 1 to 3 cups of Americano or an espresso brew to enjoy as it is or to add as a base to your favorite beverages. This handy device comes with 350 microfilmers and a filter holder, as well as several useful accessories, which include a funnel, scoop, and stirrer. Durable and sturdy, this lightweight coffee press can be easily transported anywhere. Easy to clean thanks to the paper microfilters, this coffee maker is phthalate and BPA-free, making it safe and practical at the same time. It's an excellent choice and makes a fabulous brew. You may also like some of the best latte machines from our list, so check them out. Straight into our best value pick. The Minipresso GR is an extremely simple and intuitive coffee maker for bean amateurs wanting to enjoy their brew on the go. Incredibly easy to use, the Minipresso GR only requires you to add ground coffee to the filter basket, level the grind, and add hot water to the tank before unlocking the piston and pump that allow you to press the coffee out. This manual coffee maker is compact, lightweight, and allows you to use your favorite coffee beans, ground to your liking, to brew the perfect, creamy, and tasty espresso every time. Once the coffee is set in its filter basket, it takes about 6 pumps to get the water to fill it in, and then it starts pouring out into the handy cup which is provided. Perfect for those among you who love exploring the great outdoors, this one-of-a-kind portable coffee maker can easily serve as your office, home, or a camping coffee maker. It can be used anywhere your coffee craving might kick in. No electricity or batteries are required to make your Minipresso work. You can complete the experience by purchasing a variety of accessories from the brand and enhance your Minipresso GR to suit your needs. And to make it 3 in a row, here is our premium pick, the Flair Signature Espresso Maker. This manual espresso maker is undoubtedly an eye-catcher. Its elegant design makes it the perfect complement for a stylish kitchen and will definitely spice up any existing decor. Looks aren't everything, though, and luckily this machine doesn't disappoint when it comes to efficiency either. This is a high-level, professional-style coffee maker engineered to deliver the perfect espresso shot every time. This marvelous, lever-operated coffee machine can brew a top-notch, creamy, thick and rich espresso cup without needing any electricity, pods, or capsules. All you'll additionally require is a high-quality grinder to produce your desired ground thickness, boiling water, and love for handcrafting state-of-the-art espresso. Add 60 milliliters of boiled water and up to 18 grams of your favorite blend to yield a 40 milliliters shot with a finger of cream at the top. This unique machine allows between 6 to 9 bar pressure, which is the perfect range to pull an espresso shot. You'll also get a stainless steel tamper and a bottomless portafilter which lets you brew with or without the filter. Easily transportable thanks to its carrying case, this bespoke manual espresso machine is a breeze to clean as its head is completely detachable. That means you can simply run it underwater to give it a thorough clean. Its cast aluminum and stainless steel body make it sturdy, durable, and reliable too. It's easy to see why we hand-picked this unit as our premium product recommendation. This portable manual espresso machine is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. A small size that can fit on any kitchen top and is also perfect for carrying around. The Espresso portable espresso machine allows you to enjoy a full-flavored rich coffee experience anywhere. Easily brew espresso to enjoy its full, round flavor or use it as a base for your favorite beverage. This one-of-a-kind portable coffee maker doesn't require electricity or batteries. Instead, it's conveniently operated via a pumping system of 15 to 20 bar pressure to produce the perfect cup of espresso every time. You can brew your own coffee easily and manually, and can even froth your own milk with this portable espresso maker. This manual coffee maker is extremely compact and easy to use. It takes less than 1 minute to brew a cup of coffee, and it's perfectly portable with its 400 gr weight and compact 83x 2.73 size. It can hold up to 80 milliliters water and up to 0.53 ounces of ground coffee, and is also compatible with Nespresso pods, making it even easier to brew your perfect cuppa. It can be used without or cold water to create your favorite customized drink. Extremely easy to clean and stow away, this fantastic and compact device is BPA-free and made of high-quality stainless steel and glass. A special spoon to dose coffee is provided. They've pretty much thought of everything when it comes to the design and functionality of this excellent coffee-making device. If you still don't want to give up your coffee pods, here is our list of the best pod coffee machines. An Italian beauty, La Pavoni PPG16 Professional Espresso Machine is a high-quality and extremely reliable manual espresso machine. It is a durable and sturdy machine made of chrome-plated brass, steel, and copper plating on the outside and features solid wooden handles. Stylish and appealing as you'd expect from an Italian-designed product, it also benefits from being fully functional and practical too, and is equipped with all the necessary accessories you should ever require. While you can efficiently operate the machine by lifting the lever which raises a piston, allowing pressurized water to infuse the coffee in the filter holder. You can then lower the lever which will cause the piston to force the water through the coffee and into the cup. You have complete flexibility to select your preferred speed of infusion, so you could make a more robust and aromatic coffee or a lighter and more delicate brew. The choice is entirely yours. You can also master an ideal frothy foam, matching your tastes, thanks to the steam jet, as well as craft the perfect cappuccino with the automatic cappuccino maker. This really is a versatile machine. This lovely manual espresso machine can pull up to 16 espressos thanks to the 1-liter boiler, even making 1 or 2 shots at a time. It is portable, but not as lightweight as some others. However, you can always take your drink anywhere in one of these top coffee thermoses.